Hello world, this is Sugar Coder. In this video I will be showing you how I use this awesome coffee and tea French press. I am pretty impressed that this French press came in a really nice quality bag. It also came with 2 extra filters. The French press has a beautiful design all around. Just look at it, it's so shiny and pretty. This product also came with 2 long silver stirring spoons as well as a large tablespoon. So to test out this French press using tea, I am going to make peach and passion fruit tea, and this tea is very delicious. I got it from the 99-cent Oni store. I put the tea leaves into the French press, then I poured hot water inside and let it steep for a few minutes before pouring it into a bowl and enjoying it. So to brew coffee in this French press, I put 2 tablespoons of coffee because I really like deep flavored coffee. Then I poured hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. The fun part of using this French press is pushing the top down. So after the coffee was steeped for a few minutes, I poured it into my new ice cream cone cup. Isn't this ice cream cone cup adorable? So after using and testing this French press, I definitely recommend it. So if you need a French press in your life or you
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.